After deadly floods swept through Kerr County, camps across East Texas are feeling the emotional impact. CBS 19's Ayanna Aird shows us how one camp is addressing safety concerns and offering reassurance to parents.
Here at Camp Tyler, staff say safety has always been a top priority, but now it's also about reassurance. After deadly flooding in Kerr County, camps across East Texas are not only feeling the heartbreak, but also taking the time to remind families that communication, reassurance, and trust are key to a safe camping experience.
So I know how hard it is on parents and families, but also in camps that want so badly to offer these kids the time of their life, the greatest experience. And so I really feel like we have two choices. We can either just get caught up in the sorrow, or we can make ourselves stronger.
As of Thursday, the search continues. More than 100 lives have been lost, including dozens of campers.
We mourn for the loss. We mourn for those parents and families.
Camp Tyler's executive director, Kathy Legassi, says it's impossible to not put yourself in the shoes of the grieving families.
I was literally sick to my stomach. It just hit home. I've been in the camp industry since I was 15.
The tragedy has left many families anxious about the future of camp safety.
If you have concerns or if you have hesitation in sending your children on to summer camp, then call the directors. I am sure now more than ever, they have prepared their staff.
Camps in Texas are required to follow the Texas Youth Camp Safety Act, and many, like Camp Tyler, also meet the national standards met by the American Camping Association.
I just hope and pray that parents will not pull this off the table for the sake of their kids, because it's an invaluable experience for the whole being of their child.
In Tyler, I'm Ayanna Aird, CBS 19.
The American Camping Association shared a statement with CBS 19. They said in part, quote, ACA supports Texas camps through accreditation, education, and resources, and has shared ways to help Hill Country camps impacted by flooding. Our Disaster Assistance Scholarship Fund aids children displaced by natural disasters, and we're promoting other support options for Texas families. For safety concerns, we encourage choosing ACA accredited camps and speaking with directors about emergency plans, end quote.